ready?
Can you give me lots of them?
We are going to plant carrots. Okay?
Can
You
give
ready?
me lots of them?
Lots of them? Well, carrots are 16 in a square foot. So we are going to put it in each one of these red holes. Okay? You need help?
I'm so hungry.
Well, good thing we're planting carrots. We're going to be able to eat these
Can
soon.
you
Okay, here.
don't eat it?
Not yet. Right there.
Right.
Into the red hole.
I put in the red hole.
Okay, here. In the red hole. Oh, I didn't quite make it. There we go. Okay, here.
There we go.
In the red hole. Good.
Can you give me lots of them?
Okay, put it in the next red hole right there. Oh, got it.
Put in the red hole.
Yeah, that's good. Let's put in this red hole up, though, right there. Can you reach it? Good. Okay. Go. Right up there.
Right up there?
Yep. Can you reach that one? Good job. Oh, Minnie. Hey.
Minnie Mouse. Go, Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse wants to help too, I think.
She want to watch this?
Yeah, she wants to learn how to grow some carrots too. She wants to be able to eat some carrots.
She want to eat some carrots?
Probably.